Hola, Casey. I'm going to go over this first set of structures and try and talk you through it as I would have in the classroom, okay? So let's get started. The first one is the whale crossed the ocean. All right, it's la ballena atravesó el océano. Okay, so la ballena atravesó el océano. Okay. All right, the next ones are a little more complex, so I do need to talk about them a little bit, okay? So you know by now that have, I have, the way you would say that in Spanish is tengo, all right? But in this case, this have is not serving as the verb like to have something in your possession. This have is what we call an auxiliary verb or a helping verb, okay? And so we really haven't officially learned that yet, and so here we are. So I have, the way I say that in Spanish is a very small little word. It is a, okay? And then if you remember, he or she waits is espera. So waited is the past participle, and so we're going to say esperado, okay? So I put those two together, esperado, that means I have waited, okay? Now, the next two, we're doing a little bit of a change here. We're going from the past participle, okay, and now we're doing the progressive, okay, the present progressive, I believe, and also I would refer to it in class as the ing form of the verb, okay? And so I have is going to be staying the same here, okay? And then I have been is estado, and my waiting now is esperando, okay? A very slight difference there. You see that little N makes all the difference, okay? Esperando, waiting. Okay, as I go up here, esperado, waited. Okay, this estado right here is from my verb estar, to be, okay, and it's in auxiliary verb form here. Okay, so he estado esperando. I have been waiting. Okay, all right. Now let's use it like we would in real life, okay? I have been waiting for you. I'm going to put the te in front. He estado esperando. Okay, this whole unit, he estado esperando, is not going to be able to be separated. It needs to all stay in one unit, okay? And so then I can put further meaning, okay, if I want to say, I have been waiting for you. In Spanish, the for you comes before the I have been waiting, okay? So it would sound like this. Te he estado esperando, okay? All right, we're going to change the verb a little bit here now. We're going to go to the verb seen, okay? But we're going to keep our same auxiliary verb in the front, okay? So let me just write this down, okay? So I would say he, and I would say visto, okay? But because it's I have not, I have to put the no in front of there. And then I believe in the story it's a lo, but let's learn the law as well, okay? So the structure no lo he visto means I have not seen him or it, okay? If I say no la he visto, that means I have not seen her or it, okay? So if I'm talking about, a masculine noun like the horse, okay, el caballo. Did you see the horse? No, no lo he visto, okay? If I'm talking about a feminine noun like the cow, la vaca, okay, then I would say, have you seen her or have you seen it? I would say no, no la he visto, okay? All right, and then the last one here, have you seen? Okay, so put my little question marks there. Has visto. Okay, my visto stays the same. Okay, that's the seen, but now I'm changing it to the you form of the verb, and so it's has visto. Okay, so that would be, let's use it in a question. Has visto los drones? I don't know how they say them. Have you seen the drones? I remember you talked about that in class earlier this year. Okay. And I would truthfully answer, still, no, no he visto. No, I have not seen. Okay. All right. So, has visto, have you seen? Okay. So let's quick go through these PQAs. All right. So number 1, ¿quién atravesó el océano Atlántico en una carabela y llegó a América en 1492? Okay. All right. Remember, what does quién mean? Okay. And it's in the third person, so you're not going to have to do anything with the verb. You just got to find the answer and then kind of put down what you see here. You might need to look up una carabela, okay? Number 2, ¿prefieres atravesar el océano en un crucero o en un avión? All right, so prefieres, remember, I have an S on that verb, and so I'm saying, do you prefer? And so how are you going to change that? I'm anxious to see what you say, okay? And here you have to pick un crucero or un avión, all right? Okay, number 3, put those all together. Number 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? I just want you to circle C or no. And I give you the setup here, and I do a little bit of translating, so you should be okay. Amiga, novio, hermana, and papa. Okay. All right. Number 7, 8, and 9. I'm asking the question, ¿has visto la película Frozen 2? I should say Frozen 2. ¿Has visto la película Gone with the Wind? And ¿has visto la película Unbroken? Okay, so that was the first group of structures with some PQAs to answer and submit via Schoology. Okay, muy bien, adiós, hasta luego.